So, okay, so this is the WordPress tutorial. We've already gone through the Photoshop. If you haven't already, please go ahead and watch the Photoshop tutorial, and also how to get the best images from the websites. So those two little videos. And once you get done with those, getting familiar, and your images are ready to upload to the web, you can come to your website and you've got here your, we'll use crop tops again as the ideal folder where your images are already ready to go. And we'll go ahead and do that. So let's say you want to add some more crop tops. As you can see here, we've added a couple already. When you click on the collage, we've added 4 items. So let's go ahead and add one more. So how you do that is first you need to go ahead and go to your website first thing, and you're going to hit /wp-admin, enter, and you're going to log in over here, and I'm going to send you your own login. And just go ahead and log in. And basically this is what it's going to look like back here. If you want to see your profile, it's here. And if you'd like to change your password, you can do so here. Just make sure it's a good one. And okay, so let's say you want to add some products. Where you do that is here in the portfolio area. And if you click on that, you'll see all the other things that we've added here. We'll go ahead and trash this one. If you ever want to trash any of them, just click trash. All it does is move it into the trash. And if you go there, you can always restore them if you wish. Or you can permanently delete them if you know you're never going to use them. So let's say we want to open one up. You can either click edit or just click on the title here. And this is basically what it looks like back here. We have the image inside the body here, and we've also have the image as a featured image. And this code here is what gives it the structure. So if you click here on preview changes, you can see what it looks like on the front end. Here's the image and the information and the button link. So that's what all that text is in the back end. So the feature image, what it does is it pulls an image for this background, and it also pulls the image for the main portfolio, which is this page. This is the featured image here. So let's go back to the post page. And what we're going to do is, in order to do a page just like this with a different product, we're going to click here on text, and that's where you're going to see the code. And all you're going to do is highlight everything, or Command A, copy, Command C, and we're going to click on Add New Post. So here, we'll go ahead and paste that text that we just copied. And if you look at the visual, you'll see that it's just a duplicate of that clutch. And we're going to make some changes here. So let's say the next product we want to upload is, let's take a look at our products. Let's say we want to do this nice orange top here. And how we're going to do that is by just call it, let's go ahead and title that, whatever the title of this top is, which once you go to your website you'll see. So why don't we just do that? Let's go back to the Word doc where you have crop tops, and let's find that orange top, and here it is, and let's go ahead and go to the website where that lives. And here it is. And so let's say here it is. Here's the title: bright orange ribs, racer front crop. And you want to just go ahead and copy that, and just go ahead and put it here in the title. I don't think it should be all caps because that's not what we've been doing, but just make it light orange. Was it ribbed? Race with red crop top. Okay. And what other information did we have here? Here we go. Let's give your basics. I'll just go ahead and copy that as well. And we'll just go ahead and put it over here. Make sure, okay, so down here, this is where the button link is between the brackets. And these two things, these brackets here just indicate the columns. So all the stuff between brackets is separate. So here's really where the content is. So we're going to go ahead and paste that there. And as you can see, it pasted it with a thicker style. And if you click here on this little palette, you can see that that's clicked on heading 3. And what that does is, if you click publish, heading 3 has a different style, which looks like, one second, let's fix this. Just looks a little thicker. So you can leave it that way, or you can just hit paragraph, and that makes it a regular text style. And here in the button link, this is how we add the link where the website is. So we can either go back to the Word document and just go ahead and get it from there, or you can get it from the website. And just go ahead in between the colons from the HTTP, and if you look carefully to the next colons, which is usually here at product link, just go ahead and paste that link there. Oh, and it brought it in with a hyperlink. So if that happens, just highlight it and click here, remove link. And just kind of put it all back together. It really shouldn't be that way. The best thing to do if you have that problem, let's just go back, Command Z. If you want to paste it without any links on it, you can just click as plain text to say OK here. And then go ahead and highlight it again and paste it. And that way you won't get that annoying link coming in with it. So just remember, paste as text, and then you can turn that off or on. What it does is it doesn't bring any styles in from Word or any other documents. So then now we got to change this image. So how we do that is we'll just click on the image so you know where the outline is, and then just move arrow back behind it so that you see the cursor moving behind there, and click Add Media. And we've already uploaded this file for you, but you could drop it if you hadn't here, or you can go to the media library, because you can also just upload all the files at once if you wanted to, and you can do that by just going here to media library. Well, we'll try that. We'll try that later. We'll stay on this page for now. So let's go ahead and do that. Move back, add media, and here's the orange top. And where it says here link to, just click none. And we'll just go ahead and use the full size of this document, of this image. And we'll click insert into post. And as you can see, we still have the clutch here, so now you can go ahead and delete that. And the reason I did it that way, so it helps you keep your place between the two brackets there. And so now we have it there, and now we need to set the featured image, which helps it show everywhere. And just click on it again, and click Set Featured Image. And then one other thing you got to do here is do Featured Image Display, and click False on that. And that just helps with some of the formatting in the front. And lastly, but very important, click the category, because this is what helps it show up in the gallery. So it's crop tops. Click there. And just click Update. And now hit Preview Changes. And it should appear here. You got your information. You got your link that goes to the website. So if you click on that, it should take you to River Island. There it is. And you can also check it on the gallery. And if you click on crop tops, You should now see it here. There it is. And that's how you upload an image to the gallery. If you're going to do a crop top or sorry, a floral, let's go back to the this area here again. And if you wanted to edit it just right from here, all you got to do is click here, Edit Post. It's an easy way to get right to it. And there you could, edit your text or anything else. If this belongs to a different category, you just unclick that and you can put it in funky florals or whatever the category it takes. So then one more thing. Here there's quick ways to edit things, like a quick edit, and you can change categories here pretty easily. You can also order things, put it in an order, so like if you wanted this to show up number 1, and then you would hit update, and then this one to show up number 2, you could also do all of that. So that's pretty much it for uploading images. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate.